If your skin red in these areas, maybe under the eyes, or it's red somewhere else, please use this calming gel. You can apply it 2-3 times a day on your skin. It's pretty thick. On top of that, if you go outside, it's very important to apply your sunscreen. You have this container with a sunscreen. It's SPF 50. Let's say if your face look like my face now, I almost don't have any redness, my skin is calming down, I am not going outside right now, I will apply this acne stop treatment on this pimple, on this breakout, and let it sit on your skin at least for half an hour. Now, if you going somewhere, apply a little bit of calming cream so your skin doesn't feel too dry, apply sunscreen, and just run your errands, go to work, and then in the evening when you will come, use cleanser, toner, and then apply this treatment topically on places where you have under skin congestions. If you have like some congested area, apply it all over the face and go to sleep with that. It's okay for your skin to be dry for the first couple days. We want this dryness. If your skin is not dry but it's normal or it's a little oily, no worries at all. It's all good, but we just need to start to use active ingredients immediately. Then this treatment, this is one night. You will do your AHA Skin Perfecting Serum after you use a roller, and then you also have vitamin A that you will alternate with that treatment for another night. So one night AHA and roller, and then another night vitamin A. Or if you feel that your skin is very sensitive and it's a little bit pink and it's dry and it's not comfortable for you, you can always do AHA Skin Perfecting Serum one night, then next night you can do just vitamin A, and then third night you can do super berry cream, and you can alternate it as well. Please do not put super berry cream on top of vitamin A, and do not put super berry cream right after you use AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. Also, every kit has this special eye cream, and it's made to use every morning and every night. You need just a little bit and just apply it like tap underneath the eyes and on top of the eyes. In the morning, I would still highly recommend to put Aqua Glow Booster also like under your eye area. Once it penetrates, you will put a little bit of eye cream on top. At night, I would highly recommend you to use Derma Roller around the eyes, and then after Derma Roller you will apply your AHA Skin Perfecting Serum, and then wait 10-15 minutes, and then apply this eye cream on top of AHA from that side and also from that side. Please do not apply eye cream on top of vitamin A. Vitamin A designed to work solo. Also, friends, you will find this energy salt in your kit. It's just a little bit of salt, but this salt is very powerful. It smells like lavender. Just put regular salt in this bag, mix it all together. If you would like to take a bath, you can totally put this salt into your bath. Also, there is 4 products that I would highly recommend you to use on a day 7, day 14, and day 21. And it's our mini facial that consists of our Juicy Kiwi Scrub, Pumpkin Peel, Healing Clay Mask, and our Age Reversing Nano Mask. You need to do cleanser, toner, and then to do the scrubber the way we did today, remove it, then do pumpkin peel the way we did today, remove it, and then to apply this healing clay mask. So again, here is 4 applications. Just take 1/4 of this bag, mix please with lukewarm water to the kind of like a yogurt consistency, and then apply with the fingers all over your face, and then please remove it from your face without stretching your skin. And after that, please apply this age reversing nano mask, just 1/4 of this jar. Also, this kit includes special tool for a dermaplaning. I'm not peeling anymore, but you can feel kind of like a texture on your skin. I would perform dermaplaning. It's very safe if you follow instructions. I have whole separate video, and dermaplaning tool will be in your roller. And also, your kit has a gua sha tool. I have a separate video, and if your goal is anti-aging and you would like to lift and tone your skin, and you would like also to work with a fascia is like a membrane that connect our skin and muscles, and results are so amazing and so just fabulous. I would highly recommend all of you to give yourself a massage with gua sha. Also, you will still find this acne stop treatment in your kit. Sometimes after using it all, you might break out just a little bit. So if it's happened, use this treatment topically. If you decided not to perform this peel on your first day because your skin got like pretty pink from a pumpkin peel, I would highly recommend you to use this peel in 2 weeks. After you use pumpkin peel, after you use scrub, after you use your vitamin A and AHA Skin Perfecting Serum, this peel is essential to deliver you results that you are hoping for, right? So either we do it on very first day and then we let our skin heal, or if your skin will be normal like mine, you just need to apply sunscreen if it's daytime, or if it's nighttime, you just apply apply super berry cream or a calming gel. You can sleep with a calming gel first night. And you can always call us and send us your picture and give us like a brief description of what was done to your skin. We can always give you personalized recommendation when we look at your picture. So please always ask us if something is not clear, if you're not sure what to do next, if you're not sure if your skin looks normal or not. Please send us your pictures. It's very, very important so we can see and we can guide you through your journey. We want you to succeed. We want you to have an amazing results. We want to see your skin transformation. We want to support you. We want to help you. And we truly hope that you will be so happy with your final result. Again, every skin is unique and every skin is different from another. So we are here for you to give you this recommendation and always customize your kit, your treatment, your routine. Thank you so much for choosing us. Means a world to me. Honestly, I'm so happy for you and I'm here for you. We're all here for you. We can wait to see you soon and we can wait to hear from you. Please share with us your success. We love you.